I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today I'm going to show you how to raise and lower the seat on a Jazzy 614 HD or the Jazzy Elite HD, so stay tuned. So to take the seat off on the 614 HD, first thing we have to do is make sure that our joystick is disconnected. You want to find this cable and unplug it. That way when the seat comes off, it's not going to tug on that connection. Second thing I'm going to do, I like to fold the seat down. That makes it a little bit more evenly distributed in weight. Third thing is there is this tab that you're going to have to pull. You want to make sure the tab is going over top of this metal bar. If it's going underneath and you pull, there's not enough leverage to actually get the seat off. You want it to be in between the seat and this metal bar. You might have to fish for it under there if it's not already sticking out. So you pull on this, and then you see the back of the seat goes up. Then from there, you slide the seat back and it should come out. Then the front of the seat is kind of curved, so when you slide it back, you got to make sure that you go back a little bit so that that bar can come out from here. You can't just lift straight up. So the seat sits on these two bars. These bars can actually raise up if you want an extra few inches. In order to get these to raise up, you got to take these pins out. You might have to lightly tap one with a hammer. Or if it's still stuck right here, you can grab a screwdriver and keep going. There we go. So it should lift up from here, but there's also these set screws back here that are holding it in place. You want to loosen those with an Allen wrench. So I just back it out 1/4 of an inch or so just so it's not tight on the bar. And I am using, looks like a 3mm Allen wrench. Now that these Allen wrenches are loose, you can actually lift up this bar. I can kind of shimmy it. One thing I also would recommend that would help is a little bit of WD-40 in here will make it easier. Should lift up a lot smoother, but you can see that I can lift it higher. There's 3 sets of holes for those safety pins to go through. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes it likes to get stuck like this, so you can lightly tap it with a hammer as it falls all the way down. So with this one, I'm going to set it up 1 hole. So then once you line it up, you can stick your safety pins through. So this will raise the back of the seat up 1 inch. I'll do the same on the other side. So now that I got this raised up 1 inch, I got the safety pins in, we can go ahead and tighten our set screws again with our 3mm Allen wrench. Keep in mind both of these bars are adjustable. So I would recommend, I brought this one up 1 inch, you can also bring this one up 1 inch. You can also raise this front one higher than the rear one if you need the seat to kind of tilt back at a little bit of an angle. So you can do that as well. But I would recommend doing both of them at the same time. And then once you're done, you just stick your seat back on. The front seat goes here, and then you just drop the rear on. So getting the seat back on, you want to do the front first. I usually just kind of rest it on there, then double check, make sure everything's lined up. Then I'll tilt it forward so that that front catches in that front bar. Once you're lined up, you just drop the back on and your seat is back on. This has been how to adjust the seat height on the Jazzy 614 HD or the Jazzy Elite HD. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please give us a call, and thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.